Casio Edifice EFK 100XPB forged carbon. Main features are Casio Edifice EFK 100XPB forged carbon is a particularly interesting release from Casio, as it marks a significant step for the Edifice line and for Casio watches in general. XPB and EFK 100XPB1AA or EFK 100XPB1AJF for the Japanese market model indicates it's the full carbon model, meaning it features both a forged carbon dial and a carbon composite case. This makes it exceptionally lightweight. Case shape: modern, angular Edifice design. Case dimensions approximately 43.5 by 39 by 12.5 mm. The compact 39 mm width, excluding the crown, contributes to its sleek profile. Product weight: exceptionally light due to the carbon case and resin band, around 87 grams. This is significantly lighter than the stainless steel EFK 100D models, which weigh 148 g. Water resistance: 100 meter, 10 bar, water resistance, making it suitable for swimming and general water activities, but not for diving. First, mechanical Edifice. This is the most significant feature. For the first time in the Edifice line, Casio has incorporated a mechanical movement, reflecting the shared dynamism and precision found in both motorsports and traditional watchmaking. Winding: automatic winding, rotor, with manual winding capability via the crown. Functions: hours, minutes, seconds, and date display. Power reserve: approximately 40 hours when fully wound. Frequency: 21,600 vibrations per hour, 3 Hz. Number of joules: 24. Accuracy: mean daily rate of 35 to plus 45 seconds. While this is a standard range for affordable mechanical movements, it's a departure from the typical high accuracy of Casio's quartz movements. Hacking function: the seconds hand stops when the crown is pulled out, allowing for precise time setting. Magnetic resistant, designed to resist magnetic fields, which is important for mechanical watches.